So this is the time we unbox a white box. Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of one white box. This is actually one product. This is the Hunter X921 Portable Light Bulb. So we'll just open the box and check it closely. This seems so generic that it seems like it just came out from the factory. Nothing else in the box. This is the product that comes as it is with no manual. So let's unwrap this one. That is one plastic light bulb. You can see this Hunter logo there. That's kind of stealthy there. Here we have the plastic light bulb, and this is a cord that I suppose is for hanging it on top of some surface, and this might be an on and off switch also. Now you can insert batteries here, 3 AAA not included batteries, and this cord seems fine. It is also lengthy, that's also a plus for me. That's great. Now this is actually a really low cost budget gadget that it's quite handy. So let's install some batteries here and check the light bulb itself. We just have to insert them on different polarity each time, something like that. Okay, I must try again. Oh, here we have it. We have some light, and this is a pull and release cord for on-off switch that I must say has a retro feel like older light bulbs. The bulb diffuses enough light. Remember, this is not a torch, just a light bulb. You have some basic light in the dark. Remember, this is a portable one, so this is really nice for the price. Totally plasticky, but really lightweight, and you see the light is just elegant for what it is. And this comes absolutely with no manual. So this was the unboxing of the Hunter Portable Light Bulb. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, comment below, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.